In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved card details from Chrome. If you've ever saved a payment card in Chrome for faster checkout and now want to remove it for privacy security or just to keep your browser organized, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for, including the difference between cards saved directly in Chrome and cards synced to your Google account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the browser window before moving to the next step. Once Chrome is open, go to the upper right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From that drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage browser preferences, save data, and autofill information. On the settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Passwords and Autofill. In that section, select Payment Methods. This is the area where Chrome stores saved card information used for autofill during online purchases. If you've saved one or more cards in the browser, you should see them listed here. Now find the card you want to remove. Next to that card, click the three vertical dots, then choose Delete. As soon as you do that, the card will be removed from Chrome's saved payment methods. This is the right option for cards that are stored locally in the browser and show the menu icon beside them. If you don't see the three-dot option next to a card, that usually means the card is synced to your Google account instead of being saved only in Chrome. In that case, click Edit or the external link shown with that card. Chrome will redirect you to Google Pay or Google Wallet, where that payment method is managed at the account level. From there, click Remove to delete the synced card. One helpful tip is to review all listed payment methods before closing the settings page, especially if you use Chrome on multiple devices. Account synced cards can appear across any device signed in with the same Google account, so removing them from Google Pay or Google Wallet helps ensure they're no longer available through autofill elsewhere. And that's all it takes to remove saved card details from Chrome. Whether the card is stored directly in the browser or synced through your account, the key is knowing which location it's managed from. Once removed, Chrome will no longer offer that card during checkout, giving you more control over your saved payment information.